Hey, it's your boy Chango coming at you with another video. This video is Chiro cracks an old lady's neck. WMH highlight. Brought to you by WMH Clips. Say that 5 times real fast. For those of you that don't know and new to my channel, it's Your Mom's House, I believe, with Tom Segura and I forget her name, his wife. They're like a dynamic duo. They're pretty funny. I haven't done a lot of their videos, but they are funny. So I do plan on maybe doing a little bit more. Comment down below if you'd like to see a little bit more of the YMH, right? Anyways, Chiro cracks on a lady's neck. That sounds appealing to me, so let's get right into it.
This shit is big time!
Who is Randy?
Don't bring anyone mother into this.
Yo, mom in the fucking stand!
Let's cleanse our palates. I gotta tell you something. I saw this video yesterday, and it was hard not to bring it up. But I knew the show was recording today.
You got
so
excited?
I got excited.
Oh, I love that.
I don't think I've laughed harder in an airport.
Oh shit!
in
Okay.
my life.
Okay.
Than watching this video. I mean, I was shaking and wiping tears out of my eyes. Okay.
He's selling it.
Here he goes.
Up and down, up and down, up and down.
Oh no.
Good.
Ow!
Oh, yeah. Good movement there, huh?
Yeah.
All right, Miss Lorraine, relax that head for me.
No.
Oh my god. Holy wow.
No.
Oh.
Wow.
Holy shit.
Hold on the back. My middle of my back too.
That all healing takes time? That this isn't Amazon Prime, right?
He's got a rhyme and shit.
That's elder abuse.
My
He
favorite
is torturing her.
is it when she's like, and he's like, how about that, huh?
Holy wow.
I got you good. She's like, he does her neck. She's like, He's like, there you go.
It's like when someone's giving you a horrible back massage. You ever had a friend who's like, "You're gonna love my back"?
Yeah, here you go.
rubs," And then they're like, and they're like, "Yeah, just relax,
nice?
soak into it." Yeah. You're
Oh
like,
my god.
dude, he's killing this old woman.
Oh my god.
Good movement there, huh?
Yeah.
Ow!
Let's watch it again.
Dude, is she paralyzed now?
So this is actually, I saw a little longer version of this after this. It starts off and he goes, look at this. She's got scoliosis that has built up over years. So he kind of shows you that hump. He's like, yeah, this is years and years. And he's obviously seen her before.
Up and down, up and down, up and down. Good.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. Good movement there, huh?
She's
Right,
terrified
Miss
of
Lorraine,
him.
relax that head for
Oh
me.
god!
Oh my god.
This can't be good. She looks like she's dying right there. Yeah, the top. Oh
This way.
shit!
Oh.
Shit!
You turned her into a giraffe.
She's like, she can't even talk. She's so upset.
Power's on.
Hold on the back.
My back still
My
hurts.
middle of my back too.
That all healing takes time? That this isn't Amazon Prime, right?
He's got a little catchphrase.
That is
She
horrible.
got popped so hard that her fucking tongue went out on her. She was like, holy Christ.
Oh, also, when you go to the
I was sitting
chiropractor,
at the airport just
just
shaking.
yeah. You're not supposed to go ow after they crack you.
No. You get cracked all the time.
You're not
You ever
supposed
make
to.
those noises?
It's funny because I see her and I could relate to those feelings, but
Yeah.
like I've never been like
Yeah.
It's like she's gonna cry.
Ow!
I have no problem swallowing.
Oh my
I'd
god.
stop
Does that
for a
mean?
minute and I'd right before you come. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
It's almost like she's too afraid to tell him to stop.
Yeah.
Do you think she's just terrified at this point?
Good
or-
movement there, huh?
Yeah.
The tongue is depressing, man.
Christ. I mean, if I were him, I'd be like, maybe we don't put this video out.
I know, and she's so frail. She's like a bird.
I just realized too that this is like
God.
my new favorite lane that I'm looking for.
It's like cracking old people,
Yeah, old
people,
'cause
elder abuse.
I go to I watch all the chiropractor videos, like to decompress.
Yeah.
It's like so soothing,
Yeah.
but they're never this funny. And I'm gonna look for these now.
You know what's funny is that looks like with the gun, the Theragun,
Yeah.
and he's like crunching it into this frail.
All healing
little,
takes time. This isn't Amazon Prime. You know what I mean?
Like there's no muscle tissue for that thing to bounce up and
No,
down.
it's just bones. Yeah.
Hey, can I tell you, I like this one too. And you know what? It makes me laugh. Like that rescue video with the guy with
the
the
spinning
spinner.
helicopter,
And
yeah.
knowing that was a 70-year-old person in there
Yeah.
makes
It's
it
like,
even funnier.
Oh no! Yeah.
Good movement there, huh?
Yeah.
Guess what? We have an update.
Oh, shit.
Relax the head for me,
Oh,
Lorraine.
fuck.
Oh,
Yep. We got one more to go right here. You okay right there, Lorraine?
okay.
There it is. Beautiful. So, what's up, everybody? This is No Pain Lorraine. You remember her? She's alive. You well? You healthy? You happy?
Yes.
And they think my adjustment killed you.
Really?
Yeah, isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
Because he got so much traction, and I'm not saying from us, like the internet, it went viral. You know,
Oh, okay.
like even on his TikTok, that video had like 11 million views after.
I think because Lorraine's tongue habit.
Oh yeah, I
is
think
really-
so too. I think because she was like, yeah.
A little more
no
movement
lady.
here. You know, a little less resistance from the right trap and tissue.
Old people, stop. They're so frail.
It's so frail.
They look like bobbleheads and shit.
So scared. What?
Man, why is it so funny to hear old people getting adjusted?
Fucking old
so
people.
Poor
man.
lady. Feels good?
You good?
Just like Amazon Prime.
Good. Huh?
Good movement there, huh?
Yeah.
Man, what's his line?
He's like,
this ain't
all
Amazon
healing
Prime.
takes time, and this ain't Amazon Prime. And she's like, ow. He's like, you good? Yeah.
Is that good?
She's
You feel
terrifying.
better?
Hello, and thank you for watching that highlight. If you want to see more of those, we have them. They're provided for you. So enjoy. Just do a deep dive like you're trying to study us. Click on these and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, and then they'll just be delivered to you. You can watch them when they come out. Please do it.
Go ahead and subscribe to him, and then subscribe to your boy Chongo while you're at it. But holy shit, what is it about those, like the chiropractor videos, right? Those are fun to watch, and there's also like those pimple popper people. Like, I don't know why it's so disgusting, but your boy Chongo. Yeah, if you were to look at my search history. Every now and then I go through this rabbit hole and I just watch some dumb shit. I'm sure you guys do too, so don't judge me, right? But like, I don't know, man. I feel like she's never gonna be the same after that shit. Maybe that's what started the tongue thing, right? Maybe her tongue wasn't showing until she started that shit, right? She started going to the chiropractor. For fucking... So, chiropractors in general, it's a scam. And how they get away with it and how they're even in business is just, if you do a deep dive of like the whole chiropractor world, it is just all bullshit. I saw a video with Papa Meat. I don't know if you guys know who that is, but that dude, I just discovered him recently. I might do a reaction to that dude because that dude's funny as shit. But I watched the Papa Meat one where he did an episode on chiropractors like recently, and holy wow. Shit is fucked up. If you have like an owie on your back or on your neck or something, go to the physical therapist. They are your friends. Fucking, you didn't come here to get medical advice from me, but also don't get medical advice from chiropractors. Go to the fucking doctor. Those are real fucking people, right? Those are real that's a real profession, right? But yeah, I don't know, man. This shit was fucking funny. This shit had me dying. That little old lady, man. There's no way that felt good. Holy wow. Yeah, I went to a chiropractor before and he cracked my back and my neck, and like, I'm sure some of you that have been watching my channel know that I was in the military. And I got out because of a back injury. So I got medically discharged. And so I went to a chiropractor and they cracked my back and all this shit. I mean, I felt good, I guess. But then I watched the history of chiropractors, and never again, man. Never. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you want some more YMH content, let me know that you enjoyed it by hitting me up with a like. Comment down below, give me some suggestions on some more YMH stuff. Go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell. You know the drill. Go ahead and do that. That's all I got. You guys take care. Peace out.